Hello from Classic Cars of Sarasota. Today we are looking at a 1965 Corvette Stingray, numbers matching, Nassau Blue with Brite Blue interior, all original engine, knockoff wheels, power antenna. You can see the Brite Blue interior, very clean car. AM, FM radio. .327, 300 horse, unmolested engine, all original, 4-speed matching transmission, side exhaust, tinted glass, and again in a beautiful Nassau Blue with the Brite Blue interior. Car has lived in South Carolina for its entire life before it came to us. We do have a NCRS shipping data report. As you can see, the light shining the paint. Paint looks great. Knockoff wheels for the no-hassle price of $82,500. New carpet. Again, as I mentioned, AM, FM radio, 4-speed. Matching numbers car with matching number transmission, side exhaust, feel free to contact us at 941-355-1955. Thank you.